Today I'm going to teach you how to find and delete unused dashboards in Salesforce. If you've accumulated dashboards over time that are no longer serving a purpose, removing them will help keep your workspace organized and make it easier to find the reports that actually matter. Let's walk through how to identify and delete these unused dashboards step by step. First, you'll need to access the Dashboards section in Salesforce. To do this, click on the App Launcher, which is typically located at the top left of your screen. Once the App Launcher opens, look for and select Dashboards. This will take you directly to the area where all your dashboards are stored, giving you a complete overview of what's available in your account. Now that you're in the Dashboards section, you'll need to locate the specific dashboard you want to remove. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly find a dashboard by name if you know what you're looking for. Alternatively, you can browse through the different folders to explore what's been created and stored over time. This step is especially helpful if you're conducting a general cleanup and want to review multiple dashboards before deciding which ones to delete. Once you've found the unused dashboard, look towards the far right column of that specific dashboard's row. You'll see a drop-down arrow next to the dashboard name. Click on this arrow to reveal a menu of available actions. This menu provides several options for managing the dashboard, but for our purpose today, we're focusing on deletion. From the menu that appears, select Delete. This action signals to Salesforce that you want to permanently remove this dashboard from your system. Keep in mind that deleting a dashboard is a significant step, so make sure you've selected the correct one before proceeding. After you click Delete, a confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. This is Salesforce's way of double-checking that you truly want to remove the dashboard, as this action cannot be easily undone. In the confirmation dialog, click Delete once more to finalize the removal. Once you confirm, the dashboard will be permanently deleted from your Salesforce account, freeing up space and reducing clutter in your dashboard library. And there you have it. You've successfully located and removed an unused dashboard from Salesforce, helping to streamline your workspace and keep only the dashboards that are actively contributing to your workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.